Hi everyone. So today we have Philips 561 from 1970s. This is radio only. Um, we did a bit service for it, cleaned everything inside, changed the lighting bulb, and we did manage to install Bluetooth. And what's interesting about it, that is complete set like this with speaker. Okay, have a look. You can put all this set from the bottom of the dashboard, or you can remove the radio only and fit in the regular place. So this speaker is actually connected to the radio, but you can disconnect it. Okay, so give me a moment and we will test it out. Right, so let's test it out. Okay, so at the moment this speaker is connected. Okay, so there is not much quality here, but you can change the speaker inside to the modern one if you want, but I kept all original. So also you can connect your you can disconnect the speaker and connect your speakers from the car. So
Ja Urmas Kunea, resident.
okay, so radio works. This is FM player. Okay, I forgot to mention it, and it's really simple to use. This button is FM mode. This button is Bluetooth mode. So simply press it. Now the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds and here it is. Simply connect it. And that's it. Play any music you have on your phone. This time we're using commercial free music, of course, from YouTube. Cool, right? And the moment you want to back to your regular radio, simply press U button and you back to FM mode again. Also, let's have a look how it looks in the dark. Here it is. There is not much light, but this is how it came from factory. So basically there is not much to show since there is no cassette or CD. This is radio unit only with Bluetooth. Okay? Thumbs up.